Grade 12's class of 2026. I am so excited to have you guys here. You guys have finally made it. Matrix grade 12 business studies. If you've been following me since grade 10, I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you for coming along for the journey. Thank you that I could help you with the study journey, and most importantly, thank you so very much for supporting my channel. So let's get into it. What can you expect for grade 12 for business studies? Impact on recent legislation. You'll be doing this through from week 1 to week 4. The reason it's over so many weeks is because you do a lot during these chapters. So you'll be going through 8 acts, namely, if I forget a few, forgive me, I'm going to name a few. The Labour Relations Act, the Consumer Protection Act, you're going to be doing the Basic Conditions of Employment Act, Employment Equity Act, and so on. So you'll be going through each of them. You'll be looking at the meaning, the purpose, the ways to comply, the penalties, non-compliance, and so on. And then you'll be moving on to human resource function during week 5 and 6, professionalism and ethics week 7, creative thinking and problem solving week 8, and then week 9 you'll be doing business strategies. You will then have your SBA and your test. Your test will only be about term 1's topics, the ones that we've just been through. I will be doing a video on what to expect and a past paper video on the first term's test, as well as the SBA, so do be on the lookout for those. Then we move on to term 2. We have our business sectors and their environments. Then we have quality of performance, week 2 and 3. Week 4 and 5 is management and leadership. Week 6 and 7 is investment securities. Week 8 is investment insurance. Then week 9, you have team performance and conflict management. You will then have your June exams, which will be paper 1 and paper 2. You will see the split. I've done the video last year. I will be redoing the video this year when the time comes on what to expect in paper 1 and paper 2 for the different chapters. You will also have your SBA during term 2. Then in term 3, your final term, week 1 and 2, you'll be doing human rights, inclusivity and environmental issues. Week 3 and 4, you'll be doing social responsibility, and then corporate social responsibility, as well as corporate social investment. Then week 5, you'll be doing presentation and data response. Week 6, forms of ownership. You will then have another SBA, and then you will start your prelims. Paper 1 and paper 2. Prelims, remember, is all 3 terms. And then you'll be moving into your finals. Again, paper 1, paper 2, all of the terms. So it's a very nerve-wracking year, but it's also a very exciting year. So I want you to make those friends, take those pictures, make those memories, capture everything. I know you want to be done with high school, but it's the last time you'll be in high school. I've been getting a little bit emotional, to say the least, at the learners who are posting videos saying this is their last inter-high, this is their last inter-house, this is their last athletics event, this is their last first day. And I think those are the things you need to remember. As much as you want to be done with high school, remember it's still part of the journey. And you'll look back at it one day and hopefully be grateful. I was grateful that I took all the photos. I was grateful that I went to every event. And I was grateful that I made those memories and I got to capture them forever. So remember, you only do this once and you need to make it count, and you need to make those memories and cherish the moments while you're in grade 12. So grade 12, I will be offering tutoring lessons at 150 Rand. I have the classes just after school and a few hours on Saturday. So once I receive payment, we can book a class, and I can't wait to see you, to help you how to write your essay, to look through your essay, to mark your essay, go through past papers, go through common mistakes where learners gain marks, where learners lose marks. And I also will be having group sessions for 50 Rand, and it's a max 10 in a class. This will be held online, and I can't wait to see you guys there. It's something new I'm offering, and I'm really looking forward to it, so I hope you guys are looking forward to it as well. The group lessons will be strictly from 7 to 8. Again, once I receive payment, you are then invited into the group, and then we will have the lesson. It'll be 50 Rand per lesson, and we will all ask questions, go through common mistakes, pass papers, and I'm so excited for it. So grade 12s, I'm so excited to have you on this journey, and I'm really looking forward to it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.